Have you ever wondered what a single strand of your hair looks like up close? The answer might surprise you. Today, we're diving into the microscopic world to see what happens when you place a strand of hair under a microscope. Get ready, because what you'll see is beyond imagination. First, let's talk about the structure. Human hair is primarily made up of a protein called keratin. This is the same protein that makes up your nails. Each strand of hair has three main layers: the cuticle, the cortex, and the medulla. The cuticle is the outermost layer, and it's made up of overlapping scales, like shingles on a roof. These scales protect the inner layers and give hair its shine. The cortex is the thickest layer, and it contains melanin, which is what gives your hair its color. The medulla is the innermost layer, and it's not always present. Now, let's get to the fun part. What does it look like under the microscope? When you place a strand of hair under a microscope, you'll immediately notice the cuticle scales. They look like tiny overlapping tiles. The appearance of these scales can vary depending on your hair type, the health of your hair, and any treatments you've had. For example, if your hair is damaged, the scales might be lifted or broken. If you have curly hair, the scales might be more irregular than those on straight hair. As you zoom in further, you'll start to see the cortex. This is where the pigment that gives your hair its color is stored. The cortex also contains tiny air pockets, which can affect the hair's texture and how it reflects light. In some cases, you might even be able to see the medulla. This innermost layer looks like a hollow tube. Looking at hair under a microscope can tell us a lot about its health. Scientists use microscopes to study hair for forensic investigations, to diagnose hair loss, and to learn more about hair growth. So the next time you brush your hair, remember that there's a whole microscopic world going on right there. It's a fascinating reminder of the complexity and beauty of the human body, hidden right in front of our eyes. What appears simple at first, glance often holds a universe of intricate detail when viewed up close. So the next time you have a chance, take a look at your hair under a microscope. You might just be amazed.